Bandsaw tips and tricks. Dan Hartman here. You'll notice we've got this mitered piece of 1/4 inch plate here in the bandsaw. There's actually two pieces. The top one was a template. The bottom one we needed to match up. And you notice we just took a thin sliver off here that you wouldn't even be able to take that off with a shear in a lot of places without it rounding, because even if the shear is really tight, it'll want to make that blade deflect. So here's a way you can do it in the bandsaw. Just grab a piece, and if you make the piece for the future, make it up, open the vise all the way, cut the piece as long as possible. Then you go add a bunch of holes so you can put either drill press style vise grips, or if you have holes in it and you have Bezier clamps designed to go down into a welding table, you can use something like that as well. Ideally, you have more clamps would be better. And here, whenever we do a thin sliver like this, just got to make sure, because this bandsaw has force feed down, so it uses hydraulic pressure to push the blade down. And you'll notice, if you ever do a thick or a wide piece, that the blade will start to arc up if you don't reduce this feed force right here. And this gauge here will show you how much feed force is on. So if I was doing a really wide, an 18-inch wide piece, especially I've done 2-inch flame cuts or solid bars, just back this thing right off. And over time, with some experimenting, you get a good sense of where it needs to be at. So with that, hopefully that's a couple of good tips and tricks on how to get more out of your bandsaw. And thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. Please comment below.